Hi, my name is Ken Kendall. I'm from the Charity Compassion Coin CCC team. I'm from the United States of America, raised globally, and I am here today before you as I would like to join with Charity Compassion Coin's group, the Tron Super Representatives election. I will give Tron a hand on Tron's Independence Day. In self-introduction, I'm the founder, creator, and coder of Charity Compassion Coin. I reside in the United States, but I've traveled throughout the world extensively, mainly among the societies that live and thrive from the natural lands and self-sustaining among non-modern day lifestyles. So my strong focus for this blockchain-based project and foundation of Charity Compassion Coin in relation with the Tron community is to give a modern way of trust within philanthropy and within transparency through the advancements of blockchain technology. We are a nonprofit organization focused on helping make the world around us a better, happier place. With the help of blockchain technology, we ensure governments, international powers that be, can recognize the Charity Compassion Coin's ability to seamlessly integrate any size of needed humanitarian aid and relief funds. These funds and aid are the needed miracles to succeed rebuilding even the most devastating issues at hand in the suffering world and human race globally. Together we succeed these miracles step by step, moment by moment, until any and all global sufferings are healed and once more safe and back into stability. Charity Compassion Coin is the tool for these miracles to be answered.